Still stuck thinking your skills can't make money online? I used to feel the same way, but guess what? I turned my everyday skills into more than $1,000 each month right from my laptop. And the best part, you can too. Stay with me, and I'll show you step by step how to turn your talents into real income using real websites, real strategies, and absolutely zero fluff. This is Coincrafts, and we believe your craft is worth gold. Let's start with the foundation, your skill. You don't need to be an expert or a certified pro to make money. You just need to recognize what you're already good at, or what you enjoy doing. Can you write clearly? That's a skill. Have you played around with Sanua or Photoshop? That's graphic design. Ever made videos for fun? That's editing. Do friends say you explain things well? That's teaching. Maybe you've recorded your voice for fun or play an instrument. Even if you're a beginner, that's totally fine. The magic is in how you position what you do. So, pause and ask yourself, what do I love doing that others might need help with? That's your first step. Once you've chosen your skill, it's time to freelance. That means offering your service to people and businesses who need it. There are websites that make this process super easy. Here are 3 of the best ones to get started. First, Fiverr. It's beginner friendly, fast, and you can set up your first offer in minutes. Second, Upwork. Perfect for long-term projects and clients. Third, Toptal. It's for more advanced freelancers, but it pays really well. Now, here's the secret. Start small. Set a low price at first to build your reviews. Once people see your quality, you can raise your rates. Also, niche down. Don't just say you're a writer. Say you're a fitness blog writer or an email copywriter. Be specific. Specialists get hired faster. Create a great-looking profile, upload clear samples, and deliver amazing work on time. Consistency wins every time. Tired of trading time for money? Let's talk about creating digital products. This is how you make money even when you're asleep. Here's the idea. Take your skill, turn it into a downloadable product, and sell it online. Let me give you a few examples. If you know design, you can sell Sanua templates. If you're good at writing, create a resume template or write an ebook. If you know how to stay organized, make planners or checklists. Now, where do you sell them? Here are some great platforms. Gumroad, simple and free to start. Payup, easy to use and offers marketing tools. Etsy, especially good for creative products like templates and printables. Make a nice looking cover using Sanua. Write a clear description and upload it. You do the work once and get paid over and over. Here's another path. Teach what you know. If you enjoy helping others learn, teaching your skill online is a powerful way to earn income. Let me introduce you to 3 amazing platforms. First, Skillshare. It's great for short, beginner-friendly classes. Second, Udemy. This is perfect if you want to build a full course. Third, Teachable. If you want full control over your content and branding. You don't need fancy gear. Use OBS Studio to record your screen, it's free. Make simple slides with Sanua. Teach like you're helping a friend. Focus on solving real problems. People don't want theory, they want results. And with a good course, your income can keep growing every single month. Still with me? Good, because here's where things get even better. Once you have a skill, and maybe even some content created, there are extra ways to earn using the same skill. Let's say you're a writer. You can start a free newsletter on Substack and grow an audience. As you gain readers, you can monetize through paid subscriptions or sponsorships. Love short-form content? Record quick tutorials or tips and post them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Build a following and later monetize through ads or brand deals. You can even start a blog on Medium. They pay you based on how long people read your posts. Another creative way, use platforms like Ko-Fi or Buy Me a Coffee. Supporters can send you tips or pay to access bonus content. Every little piece builds toward your goal. 1 skill, 5 streams of income. It's not just possible, it's powerful. So let's recap. You don't need a degree or years of experience or even a big budget. You already have what it takes. 1 skill, 1 laptop, 1 hour a day. That's all you need to start building your income. It might not happen overnight, But give it a few weeks or a few months of steady effort, and you could be earning over $1,000 a month or more. You've got the knowledge now. The only thing missing is action. If this video sparked even one idea, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this video is worth sharing. Tell me in the comments, what's one skill you're going to monetize starting today? And if you want more zero fluff, real strategies for making money online, subscribe to Coincrafts right now and turn on the bell. We drop videos every single week that actually help you grow. Thanks for watching, and remember, your craft can become your currency.